Seaweed covered banana. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is the fourth vlog. Doing exciting things as usual. We got some indoors and outdoors. It's beautiful. It's rainy season now, so hope you enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna be vacuuming out the car today.
Go! Whoa!
This is how I sit. Oh, looking pretty fresh. Okay guys, next we're gonna be going to a church and cleaning up after a Mother's Day event. So let's go.
Slowly turn the wheel to the right. Not that much. Not that much.
Larson,
Just a little.
No, make me go.
Straighten it out. Go down the hole. Okay, now go that way. Now you're gonna make a hard turn to the left. Hard turn to the left.
Now straighten it out. Now.
Or just let go. Close it out. Go that way. Let me go over there. Much, not that much.
I know.
Okay, hard turn left.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna jump in our pool. It's now located right here next to the trampoline in the yard. It used to be over there because it spilled over because the bricks were a bit slanted. I have puddles here. You just got a haircut. Here's the before picture. And then I'm just gonna take him for a little swim. He doesn't really like the water, but I think he'll enjoy it kind of. So let's go. Hey puddles. Hey.
He's already starting his bathroom.
Okay, we're just gonna go super quick, okay? I'm gonna pass him to you.
Come on, Mr. Murphy! Oh, come on.
Okay, now put him out. Put him out. Don't put his head under the water. Hey, boy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna swim. Hello there. It's raining in Mitla, which is kind of a surprise. It's a nice surprise. Yeah, hopefully you can hear me right now. Yep, thankfully you are waterproof. And there is lightning, so I don't really want to get struck by that. But I don't think I will. I'm gonna walk and I'm gonna go to the linguistics center and jump on the trampoline because it's wet. And I gotta take my walk. It's waning. That was fun. Okay, so we made it. And I'm playing rock music because that's the mood I'm in right now. Okay, yeah. I don't know if I picked the best time to take a leisurely walk. This is a waterproof jacket and I'm soaked. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me right now. It's very loud. It is hailing. It's very large. Look, this is hailing. Look at that. It doesn't hail in Mitla. It just doesn't do that. Like, that's water. Gosh. Goodness gracious. Like this, we're not prepared for this kind of rain. Like, that's rain right there, my friend. Like right there, oh, that is some rainy rain. Like it just started to be rainy season. Okay, I think we're gonna go on the trampoline. Maybe. Okay, if you ask me, that was a pretty nice slow-mo. So, as you've seen in my other videos, this is the trampoline area, and it's waterlogged. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go on the trampoline now. I don't think I've been this wet in a while. Yeah, like not even in a shower. It's very wet. Okay, so I'm gonna give a little ASMR here. Ready? Of my shoes. That's some nice wet socks. Okay, so I've discarded the jacket. It's a decently nice day to go for a walk now. So I guess I'll do that now. Continue on the vlog. It's been a fun time. By all means, continue on. That's some nice grass. Looks very nice after it rains.
Bye.
Yeah, little bear. That's Well, I'm gonna sign some yearbook books. So, yep, I'm at the school right now. I haven't been here in like 4 months. Yeah, that's fun. Okay, so next I have a dentist appointment in like 10 minutes, so we're gonna go to that. Hopefully that goes well. I'm getting a, what's it called? A filling. So that should be fun. Basically, it's just they give you a bunch of shots so you don't feel anything, and then they drill out one of your teeth and then fill it with like UV curing stuff. Yep. Time to get injected with needles. I don't hate this place, but I don't not. What are you, Mom? So it's apparently this back one right here, the upper back one. So I just can't feel half of my mouth now, which is give and take, but you know, at least it's over. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends if you did. Subscribe. More videos coming soon. Yep, that's about all for today. See you guys.